Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a yummy burger at home. Let's start by crafting the perfect patty. For the best taste, select ground beef with an 80 to 20 lean to fat ratio. When forming your patties, aim for about 3/4 inch thick and 4 inches wide. A little trick is to press a small indentation in the center. This helps prevent the burger from bulging in the middle as it cooks, ensuring an even patty. Now, let's talk seasoning and cooking. Always season your patties generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Cook your burgers on a hot grill or in a cast iron skillet for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on your desired doneness. Remember, flip your burger only once to get that beautiful, flavorful sear and keep it wonderfully juicy inside. With your patties cooked, it's time to assemble your dream burger. First, lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a fantastic texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Next, layer on your fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomato slices, and thinly sliced onions. If you love cheese, place a slice on your patty during the last minute of cooking to get that perfect melt. To truly elevate your burger, consider adding a special sauce or a homemade aioli. These small additions can make a big difference in flavor. Once assembled, serve your delicious creation immediately with your favorite side dishes, like crispy fries or a fresh salad. You've put in the effort, now enjoy every bite. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some great smart speaker deals and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.